greet everyone. Ayun, share na lang muna, Nak.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kaori Oinuma. And maraming salamat po sa oras na nilaan niyo tonight. So sana magustuhan po din yung pelikula namin.
You look good! Ang ganda ng aura mo ngayon. Congratulations. Ang husay niyo sa pelikula. You'll find out later on. And of course, Sarah!
Hello! Good evening to everyone, our friends from the media. I heard there are some students here. Kaway-kaway sa inyo. Hello! Woo! And also to everyone else that are here, thank you so much for taking the time today to watch Untold. I'm guessing, sigurado naman, fan na fan kayo ng horror movies. But I just want to ask, sino dito yung palasigaw pagdating sa horror movies? Raise your hand.
Ako na-screen ni Ivan lahat yan, lahat palasigaw.
Alam niyo na, kung yung mga katabi niyo, nako, handa niyo na yung mga tenga niyo. Ako palasigaw rin.
Sarah, you were so good in the movie. I've seen it.
You've seen it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is actually our first time watching the movie.
Wow.
So we worked really hard on this movie and we really hope you enjoy it.
We will definitely. And of course, Kaori, you were equally great in this movie. Would you like to, kasi tonight we are requesting for their love and support to help us promote the movie, Kaori.
Oh, yes.
Personally invite them to promote the movie.
Ngayon pa lang po nagpapasalamat na ako sa oras na nilaan nga ninyo. And sana tulungan niyo po kami i-spread the news, Untold. Showing na next week, April 13 na po sa cinemas. And sana po magustuhan nila habang may feedback ninyo sa social media.
Okay, thank you so much. I'd like to thank Rise Artist Studio for letting out Regal Entertainment. Miss Marie Rosel Monteverde.
Hello everyone. So nice to see all of you here. I'd like to thank everyone who's here tonight. At alam mo yung una ko itong napanood, napasigaw talaga ako. That's why I came out with this mask for everyone. Kasi masasaniban talaga kayo ni Vivian Vera nito. Okay? So enjoy the movie. Let's scream together and sana talaga panoorin sa sinihan for the experience. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Rosel, for being a visionary.
Like Kaori and Sarah mentioned, sobrang thank you talaga for your support today and coming here to watch this movie, and I really hope that you can spread the good word and help us promote the film. So I hope you enjoy tonight. Relax, feel free, yell and scream as loud as you want, and really just enjoy yourselves with your friends and colleagues here this evening. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.